Hi, I'm Pip from Queen Pip Cards, and if you're new to card making, a card kit can be your best friend. And in this episode of Crafty Corner, I'm going to explain to you why they're perfect tools for beginners. So, card kits can take the guesswork out of crafting. Here are my top things that I love about card kits. One, generally they come with pre-cut supplies. So this means you don't have to measure or cut anything. Everything's ready to use. Some kits even contain stamps, glue, ink, acrylic blocks, everything that you need. And so they can be really great for somebody who doesn't have a lot of supplies and doesn't really know where to start. Start with a card kit. You'll start to build your confidence, and you'll get some supplies that you can then use again in later kits or later designs. So check the supplies that are included before you purchase, just to be sure what's inside the box and whether you need to get anything else. The other great thing about kits is they generally come with coordinated designs. So this means that they all kind of match. Colours, patterns, embellishments, they're all done for you, pre-matched for you. So that means you're guaranteed to get some beautiful results and you don't have to worry so much about what goes with what and does this colour work with this colour. They also come normally with step-by-step instructions. Okay, they include guides to help you assemble the cards, so it's an easy experience for you. And that's really great and really important if you're a new card maker, because you don't want to have stress. You don't want to have any way of feeling that you're not going to be able to be successful, because otherwise you're going to fail and then you're going to feel like you're a failure, and then card making's not for you and you're going to throw it all out. And there are so many card makers out there who come to me and say, I don't really know. I've got all this stuff and I don't know where to start. I feel so overwhelmed. And my advice is, if you want to start card making, start with a kit. Start with a kit that you can easily assemble. Give yourself the confidence of getting better and creating something beautiful. Because once you've done that, then you can start moving on. As your skills improve, you can start moving on to something else. And as a pro tip, once you've made the cards in the kit, if there's anything leftovers, then save them for your next creative project. Put them to one side and think, okay, I'm going to build a little stash of things that have been in the kit that haven't used and you can use again later. One member told me I started with a kit that Pip recommended and it made me feel so confident I finally finished a project. That's just huge, right? Because sometimes when you start, you don't know how to finish and you don't know whether you have finished. So if you want more beginner tips like this, first of all, subscribe to this playlist because there'll be more coming every week. But also grab my new card maker guide today. And you can grab that at queenpipcards.com here if you put a /newbie at the end of it. All right. So if you do that, then you'll be able to get tips and hints straight into your inbox, as well as coming and watching me here on video. So thanks ever so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Crafty Corner, and I will see you again next week. Until then, crafty hugs. Goodbye.